Let's look at a condition of tongue where a specific papilla called circumvallate papillae sometimes enlarges. Circumvallate papillae are large, dome-shaped structures on the posterior dorsal surface of the tongue. They are arranged in a V-shaped row just in front of the sulcus terminalis. Each papilla is surrounded by a trench and contains numerous taste buds, especially sensitive to bitter flavors. They are normal anatomical features, typically 8 to 12 in number, and are associated with von Ebner's glands that secrete serous fluid to cleanse the trenches. Let's look at a case scenario. Rahul, a 21-year-old student, visited his dentist after noticing several big bumps at the back of his tongue. He feared they might be warts or an infection. On examination, the dentist identified them as circumvallate papillae, normal anatomical structures involved in taste perception. Rahul was reassured that these were not abnormal growths but part of his tongue's natural anatomy. He left relieved, now aware of their role in sensing bitter tatrench. More about circumvallate papillae. Definition: large, dome-shaped lingual papillae located on the posterior dorsal tongue. Arranged in a V-shaped line just anterior to the sulcus terminalis. Surrounded by a trench and contain numerous taste buds. Clinical features: appearance, prominent, round papillae encircled by a groove. Number, usually 8 to 12. Function, rich in taste buds, especially for bitter flavors. Associated glands, von Ebner's glands secrete serous fluid to cleanse taste buds. Symptoms, asymptomatic, often mistaken for pathology by patients. Diagnosis: clinical examination, visible on inspection of the posterior tongue. Differential diagnosis, must be distinguished from nodules, warts, or neoplasms. Neuroradiographic relevance. Management: no treatment required, circumvallate papillae are normal anatomy. Patient reassurance is sufficient.